just wanted to let you guys know that I'm going to be testing out the stability of the cameras. I'm also going to be testing out the sound quality and how the images look, as well as the video. So make sure you guys stay locked into the end of the video. But if you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you for coming through. If you're new, but if you're already a part of the crew, salute. So we're going to jump into a comparison of the cameras on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5 up against the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold3. And both of these phones actually have similar camera setups, but there has been some upgrades when it comes to the Z Fold5. So in comparison, we have a main 50 megapixel camera on the Z Fold5 versus a main 12 megapixel on the Z Fold3. We also have an updated hinge, but when it comes to the telephoto and the ultra wide, we have a 12 megapixel on the Z Fold3 on both versus a 10 megapixel telephoto and a 12 megapixel ultra wide on the Z Fold5. And then the Z Fold5 can record in 8K. And so that's a new feature that I definitely think is going to be pretty cool. You also get 4K portrait mode on video on the Z Fold5, which is definitely a nice upgrade as well. And so we're going to be testing these out. They both have that 10 megapixel selfie camera with the 4 megapixel inside of it. So let's just go ahead and test out both of the cameras. Make sure you stay locked in, okay? Alright guys, so both of these are running on 4K 60 on the rear camera. This is the Samsung Galaxy Fold5 and this one is the Samsung Galaxy Fold3. I'm sweating right now because it's like 95 degrees, but let me know which one you think looks better as far as the overall comparison. Let me know which. But it's a really hot day right now, so hopefully I can get some more footage. I'm going to be doing a stabilization test as well and some camera photo samples on both. But let me know what you guys think about the overall audio quality on the Z Fold5 right here and then the Z Fold3 right here, okay? Hey, what's going on guys? So this is the video quality of the Fold3 on the right, and on my left the Fold5. They're both recording at 4K 60. So just to give you an idea, I'm walking right now with a tripod in my hand. I don't have a gimbal or anything like that to make it stabilized or anything like that, but this is actually what you're going to be getting when it comes to the quality of the Fold3 on the right and the Fold5 on the left. So let me know which one does a better job when it comes to the overall like detail, lighting, sound quality. I'm going to be going back and forth between the phones so you can hear the microphones, but I just wanted to do this this comparison so you can see which one has the better cameras. Hey, what's going on? So this is the Z Fold3 on the right and the Z Fold5 on the left. And so let me know what you guys think about the quality, but this is 4K 60 frames per second on both of these smartphones. So let me know which one you think is a little bit better. Is it the Fold5 right here, the Fold3 to my right, and the Fold5 on the left has a nice quality, so does the Fold3 on my right. So it just depends on your personal preference. So they're both shooting at 4K 60, and so far neither one of them have overheated. So this is to give you an idea what the videos look like on both. You can see the cloud in the background right there. It looks good on both. Let's get into some more detail. Okay, so this is 4K 60 on the rear, and we have the Fold3 on the right, and on the left we have the Fold5. And I'm holding them again on a tripod. So let's zoom in. Up to, you get 10 times zoom on the Fold3, and you get 10 times zoom on the Fold5 when it comes to 4K video.
babe, I see those pearly gates.
Hey, what's going on? So this is full HD 60 frames per second, and so it's actually, you see the sun setting right behind me, and so I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like on both smartphones. So we have the Fold 5 on the left on this side of me, and we have the Fold 3 on the right. So this is what it would look like while I'm walking, holding both of these phones on a tripod right now. So this is what it would look like if I was actually walking with them both.
Oh my god, those are big. How's it go? Yeah, Maddie was just doing it.
You go that way.
No. Oh, is there more over there?
So nothing is done.
Alright guys, so this is the review of both the Fold 5 and the Fold 3. Fold 3 on the left, Fold 5 on the, Fold 5 on the left, Fold 3 on the right. Let me know which one has better quality overall after you've been checking out all this footage on both of these phones. The sun is already set, so I'm headed back to the crib so I could edit this video. But I just want to give you guys a quick comparison of the Fold 3 and the Fold 5 when it comes to the video and some of the picture quality. I'll check you guys on the next video, okay? Later, crew. Peace.